Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to purchase TSAT, which is a stable coin of Bitcoin, and I highly encourage you to buy this. TSAT is like medical test for iron statue, which is related to Bitcoin. So we type here TSAT Bitcoin, which is Satoshi UBTC stablecoin price. Please guys, please, for love of God, just purchase this. Just invest $1 in this coin and just ignore the asset and forget about it and just return after years, and it's gonna be more powerful than today. So I will show you how to purchase this one because it is cheaper transactions. It is like stablecoin related to Bitcoin. So yeah, it's like related to the same network that usually working for Bitcoin, but it is more easier, faster, and so on. So how to purchase? It's so easy, guys. Like you just type tsat.dg15.com. So you will get this website. It's trusted, guys. Don't worry. Just you need here to I understand confirm. The thing is, the only way you can purchase TSAT, because it is in Solana network, you need to transfer Solana to TSAT in order to get it in your wallet. Just purchase like $13 or any aspect that you want to need to pay for it. Just invest $1 Solana to get this amount of the coin itself or whatever. So guys, I highly encourage you to purchase this one. Just invest in this coin. How to purchase it? You need to get to connect your wallet to get your Solana to transfer it to TSAT, and there you go, you got all the TSAT on your wallet. So the thing is, it's simple, it's easy. I hope you like the video, guys. Subscribe and like and share, please. Hope you getting rich as soon as possible.